Searching for the ultimate travel adapter to power up your adventures? You're in luck. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 universal travel adapters of 2024. From compact designs to fast-charging capabilities, we'll explore the features that make these adapters stand out. Whether you're a globe-trotting explorer or a frequent flyer, find the perfect companion for your journeys right here. Let's dive in. Number 5. The WoTravelPaL European Travel Plug Adapter is a must-have for travelers to Europe. Compatible with various countries including Italy, France, Germany, and Spain, it features one US AC outlet and 4 USB ports for charging up to 5 devices simultaneously. With fast charging capabilities, it powers devices efficiently, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, meeting cruise requirements without the need for surge protection or extension cords. CE and FCC certified, it ensures safety and durability, backed by a 12-month warranty. Works with 100-volt to 250-volt devices. For high-powered appliances, check voltage compatibility or use a converter. The WoTravelPaL UK Travel Plug Adapter is a versatile solution for travelers heading to the UK, Ireland, and more. With compatibility in various overseas countries, it features one US AC outlet and 2 USB ports for charging up to 3 devices simultaneously. Its fast charging capabilities and compact design make it perfect for on-the-go charging needs. Constructed with high-quality materials and certified for safety, it ensures reliable performance. Works with 100-volt to 250-volt devices. For high-powered appliances, check voltage compatibility or use a converter. With a 12-month warranty and excellent customer service, it's a reliable companion for your travels. Number 4. The NEWVANGA Travel Adapter with USB-C offers convenient charging solutions for travelers worldwide. Compatible with plugs from over 150 countries, including the US, EU, UK, and AU. It ensures compatibility in various destinations like Thailand, Italy, Canada, and more. Equipped with one USB-C and one USB-A port, it efficiently charges a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. Safety is prioritized with built-in features such as safety shutters, a 6.3 ampere fuse, and protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and surges. Its all-in-one design includes 5 different input plugs and power sockets, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Compact and lightweight, this travel adapter is essential for globetrotters, students, and business travelers. With dimensions of 3.0 by 1.9 by 1.5 inches and weighing only 3.2 ounces, it easily fits into luggage or suitcases. However, it's important to note that this adapter does not convert voltage, so users should ensure their devices are compatible with the local voltage. With a maximum power rating of 6 ampere, it's suitable for low-power appliances that accept dual voltage. Overall, the NEWVANGA Travel Adapter with USB-C is a versatile and essential companion for international travel. Number 3. The EPICKA Universal Travel Power Adapter is a versatile and reliable solution for international travelers. With coverage in over 150 countries, including the USA, UK, EU, and Australia, it ensures compatibility wherever you go. Its 6-in-1 design features 4 USB-A ports, 2.4 ampere, 1 USB-C port, 3 ampere, and 1 AC socket, allowing you to charge up to 6 devices simultaneously at high speed. Safety is paramount with this adapter, equipped with a built-in 8A fuse, safety shutters, and a plug lock system. It is also certified by RoHS, CE, and FCC, ensuring its safety and reliability for peace of mind during your travels. However, it's important to note that this adapter is not a voltage converter and may not be suitable for high-power appliances like hair dryers or curling irons. With a maximum power rating of 880 watt at 110 volt and 1920 watt at 240 volt, it's best suited for charging electronics such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and cameras. Compact and lightweight, weighing only 5.1 ounces and measuring 2.8 by 1.97 by 2.05 inches. It's easy to carry in your luggage or travel bag. Overall, the EPICKA Universal Travel Power Adapter is an essential accessory for any globetrotter, providing convenience, safety, and versatility for all your charging needs abroad. Number 2. The TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter is an essential companion for travelers, offering compatibility in over 150 countries. With 4 built-in plugs covering various regions such as Europe, UK, USA, and Australia, it ensures seamless charging wherever you go. Featuring 3 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, this adapter can charge multiple devices simultaneously at high speeds, making it perfect for smartphones, laptops, tablets, cameras, and more. With a total output of 5.6 ampere by 28 watts, it efficiently powers your devices on the go. In addition to its USB ports, the adapter includes a universal AC outlet that accommodates plugs from the US, EU, UK, and AU. With a maximum capacity of 2,500 watts and built-in safety features like double 10A fuses and a safety shutter design, it prioritizes safety for both you and your devices. Compact and lightweight, this adapter easily fits into your luggage or backpack, making it ideal for travel. However, it's important to note that it is not a voltage converter and is only compatible with 100-volt to 250-volt devices. For appliances like hair dryers or electric toothbrushes, ensure they support dual voltage or use a voltage converter. Overall, the TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter is a must-have for globetrotters and foreign students alike. Number 1. The ONEBAT 2-pack European Travel Plug Adapter offers convenient and versatile charging solutions for travelers visiting Europe. With a 6-in-1 design, it transforms one European Type-C outlet into 3 standard American outlets, along with 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C charging port. This allows for charging up to 6 devices simultaneously, including cell phones, tablets, power banks, and more, making it ideal for travelers who need to power multiple devices. Compatible with most European countries such as France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, this adapter is a travel essential for globetrotters. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use, while the indicator lets you know when the adapter is in use. Featuring USB-C fast charging technology, the adapter delivers optimum charging speeds for your devices. However, it's important to note that the USB-C port does not support Quick Charger 3.0 and may not be suitable for devices requiring 922-volt charging voltage. It's important to remember that this adapter is not a voltage converter and is only compatible with 100V to 250-volt wide voltage devices. Appliances like hair dryers or straighteners must support dual voltage or require a power voltage converter for use. Overall, the ONEBAT European Travel Plug Adapter is a reliable and convenient solution for powering your devices during your European travels.